Hi everyone, here we've got a POCO X3 Pro and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So firstly we have to open the keyboard, so for example we can do it in messages, it doesn't really matter. And right now all we have to do is simply take a look at this option bar and find the settings which are right here. If you cannot find them, no worries, just tap on this three dots icon and they should appear right here. So let me enter the settings and let's tap on languages. As you can see here, we've got the list of previously added languages. We've got only English right now, so simply tap on add keyboard, and here we've got the full list of all available languages on earth probably. So we've got plenty of options to choose from. I'm pretty sure that you will find the language you'd like to set. All you have to do after finding it is to simply tap on it. So I will pick Arabic. Let's tap on it. As you can see here we've got the keyboard options, and before probably after tapping on the language, if you will be able to see this arrow, then you will be also able to choose the region. The same situation will be with Arabic. As you can see, I can choose the region, for example the Egypt or Chad, and so on and so on. So let me pick the Egypt, sorry. As you can see here we've got the keyboard options and I will pick this one, so just tap on done. And the Arabic language has been applied to this list, so right now we can go back to the language and, to the keyboard and check. And we've got actually two differences. First of all, the spacebar is not empty anymore. Here we've got the name of the language we are currently using, so right now we've got English obviously, and next to it we've got new icon, the globe icon, and all this icon can do is simply to switch the language. So right now we can easily type in English, let's say, and after tapping on the globe icon we can switch to the Arabic one and we can type Arabic. After tapping on it again we can go back to the English. So very useful option. So actually this is it. This is how to add the language to the keyboard, and let me show you how to remove the second language, because for some reason you do not need two different languages applied. So let's go back to the settings, let's tap on languages, and here from this level we have to tap on this edit icon, this pencil icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see right now we can mark the language we would like to remove, and obviously in my case it will be Arabic. So let me mark it and tap on this trash bin icon. As you can see it immediately disappears, so after getting back to the keyboard you can see that the spacebar is empty and you cannot find the globe icon, so it means that we've got only one language left. So actually that's all. This is how to change system language in your POCO X3 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.